Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode. I am Courtnie Nine, Wealth Manager here at Good Life Financial Advisors, and I am joined today by Kelly Spayd. Many of you probably see Kelly's billboards out on the highways or have maybe even seen some of her postings on social media. But Kelly is one of the top-ranked realtors, not only in the county, but I think in the nation within Keller Williams. So, Kelly, how long have you been in real estate?
Hi, everybody. I'm Kelly. I've been in real estate for 18 years, and I live it, breathe it, and I absolutely love it. I work at Keller Williams Platinum Realty here in Berks County. My office is located in Wyomissing.
Awesome, thank you. So the reason I have Kelly on today is many of you ask me about the real estate market. Obviously, as a financial advisor, I'm not just looking at investments, but I'm looking at your entire financial picture, and that includes real estate as one of your other major assets that you have. So I just wanted to bring Kelly in because it is very hot topic right now, and it's been for a long time as to where the real estate market is at and where we are headed. I get a lot of questions, from many of you, and oftentimes give Kelly's name out. So I wanted to put a face to the name and also get to the bottom of some of the things that I've been asked over the course of the last 12 to 18 months. So Kelly, what's your current assessment of the real estate market right now?
Well, it's still a seller's market. We just came off of basically 3 years strong with COVID, and I do feel any home priced correctly, given, the value of specific comparables will sell immediately. We know the interest rates have risen in the past 6 months, and everybody's main concern is that. They dropped a little bit in the past couple weeks. Now they're up again this week. But again, you have to look that you can still sell your home and make a great profit.
Great. I do want to touch on interest rates because we talked about that. Our kind of projection was that the second half of the year is really when we would start to see rates most likely come down. Bad inflation report happened the other day, so we saw the stock market come down, and we also saw interest rates kind of top out again. So we're still in that really sensitive zone. But to Kelly's point, if you're in a position to buy or to sell, inventory levels probably aren't where they usually historically are at. So if you're in a position, I think there's a lot of still opportunity that's out there.
Correct. We see a lot of our clients in retirement age that already have a second home that are cashing out or have cashed out and making a fantastic profit. They have a game plan, whether they had it 5 years ago and it got bumped up, or they're sitting down with me now and they want to make it happen within the next 6 to 12 months. They're really the key people that get to win in this.
All right. That's definitely good information. I know one of the other sort of big things that was happening over the course of the last probably 2 or 3 years now is like these crazy over asking prices. Do you foresee, and is that still going on right now?
It is. Depending on the area, the location of the house, the price range, homes are still selling with a multiple offer situation. If you go back on the buyer's side, everybody's like, why buy a house now? Well, you can always refinance in the next couple of years when the rates do drop, and we both feel they will be dropping.
Yeah.
You can always do the refinance. However, you have to look at the equity that you're already going to have in your home if you do buy now. I do foresee the home staying at this price or even going higher with their values. I don't foresee anything dropping below what they are now. So you're still in a positive position.
Okay. That is one of the other things I wanted to ask, is if we see, prices holding at this level. I have a lot of clients ask me that question. And I do want to take a moment and sort of delineate price increases versus inflation increases. So inflation is the rate at which the prices are increasing, and obviously the price is what the price of something actually costs. And while inflation's going down, it's basically we're decreasing the rate at which prices are still going up. So we're still going to probably, to Kelly's point, see prices continue to rise. It's just the rate at which things are rising is starting to come down. So I think it's important to kind of notate the difference between the two of those.
Correct.
And what advice would you give? A lot of retirees are out there looking for that perfect property, or looking for, something all on one floor, low maintenance. Like, does it exist? And what are other, I guess, alternatives for people that are looking to downsize? Like what options exist out there in Berks County? Because I think that in my opinion, we're sort of at a disadvantage to some of our neighboring counties that are ahead of the curve on having these more planned communities for retirees.
It is. We definitely don't have enough one-floor living that is affordable. I would say affordable in Berks County is anything under $450 for someone that is downsizing from a larger home. One-floor living and a garage. A garage is always key, and that's not out there as well. So it is tough, but obviously if you meet with a real estate professional, we can guide you on the next steps on where to go, what to do. But again, the key is if you can get out of your larger house now, the sooner the better on that.
So to summarize, Kelly, if you are interested in buying or selling your home in the near or future, it's definitely good to get in touch with a realtor to see what your options are and see what that could look like for you. And we do feel like, again, interest rates will probably come down, which will give a lot of opportunity for anybody in that market looking to buy or even sell and have an option to go to another home will probably come here as the year progresses. So again, if you're looking for a professional in the real estate industry, Kelly is a great recommendation for you. And if you need anything else, just feel free to reach out to me directly and I can get you in touch with Kelly. So thank you for joining me.
Thank you.
Until next time, I hope everyone stays well.